Hello everyone, welcome to Techie Dialogue. Today I'll show you how to play PUBG Mobile on PC and explain the easiest way to enjoy the game using keyboard and mouse controls. Step 1. Open your browser and search for GameLoop, which is the official emulator for PUBG Mobile. Visit the official GameLoop website, click the download button, then run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. This emulator is important because it lets mobile games run properly on a PC. Step 2. Launch GameLoop after installation and let it load fully. Use the search bar inside the emulator to find PUBG Mobile. This search helps you quickly locate the official version of the game. Step 3. Select your preferred server and click on the install button. The server choice matters because it affects your game connection and performance. Wait for the game files to download and install completely. Step 4. Once installed, find PUBG Mobile in the app area and click on it to launch the game. Allow the resource pack to download by clicking OK, as it includes maps and graphics needed to play. Step 5. After everything is downloaded, log into the game and adjust settings if needed. Now you're ready to play, and that's how you can install PUBG Mobile on PC. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more tech tutorials.